to 100 Summers, and today we are going to be making a little words on for my new unicorn room. Yay!
We're going to make a sign, and it's going to say,
"Be a unicorn in a field of horses."
For me, what that means is to not always follow other people. Like to be yourself, to be unique, being brave enough to be yourself. Even when everybody's going in one direction, like a whole field of horses, how do you listen to yourself?
Get over here.
Who's that?
This is Cloud. She was just sniffing something.
Well, she was covering the microphone, which doesn't help. This is an old sign that we had. I wasn't crazy about the words, so I actually sanded it down a little bit. I had spray painted it once, and then we could see the words, so I sanded it, and now we see the scratches, but that's cool. I like how that looks. So Kylie and I spray painted it. Always point away from your face. Okay, Kylie is going to spray this sign, and a little farther away, way farther away. Okay, good job.
And we're going to decorate it.
All right, let's get started.
Huh? What's it?
What?
Flat alicorn. It's a flat alicorn.
Okay, stay out of the way, Alicorn.
I'll take it to the hospital.
We cut out all these letters so we can line them up how we want them. I'm going to hand you the letters. P, A, U, N, E. Can you help me find? Corn.
Tilted.
Ho. I don't know which way that goes. Or says. Yay! These are stickers, so we're going to have to pull off the backs. I'm going to keep this here to keep a line. I'm going to take this down.
Okay, not you, too. A flying dog. A flying dog.
This will help us have a straight line. Okay. So I just attached B.
Hey!
Oh no! I just tore the E in half. Oh man.
I can fix it.
I gotcha.
I can fix it.
You can fix it. B.
I do it.
Uh-oh, I just moved the whole thing out of the... Do you want to do the A? Okay, I'm going to do the U.
I'll do unicorn. Unicorn.
Can I do it?
Mm-hmm. Okay. U. But there's no space for me. Excuse me, everyone. Unit.
Ah! I feel like this is not centered. Look, too much space here. That's okay?
Right. I'll do horses. You can do love.
What do we think?
Good.
I like it. Let's make sure they're all pressed down well. Kylie bumped her head, and so she put some cold peas on where she bumped her head because they're yummy. She thinks they're yummy. I think they're gross, but that's one of the things she likes. I thought the sign was a little boring, so we've got a couple stickers to add. We're going to put on some stickers.
That's not how I made the flower.
Yeah, I'm making the flower a little bit different. We have another video of a hair bowl holder, and Kylie made a flower out of crystals. Our next video is going to be Kylie's room makeover, and it's a unicorn room. So definitely,
don't tell 'em.
Well, we were going to tell them. Definitely subscribe if you're into unicorns, because you're going to not want to miss that. Okay, so I'm putting this sticker here. She wants you to hear the sound of chewing of frozen peas. What a great sound. Alright, excuse me, Kylie. This is hair. Okay. Unicorns. I used to make jewelry, and I kept a lot of these beautiful gems, and what better way to use them than to decorate stuff for Kylie's room.
Look.
What do you do? That's not funny. Don't do that. So now I'm making a little flower out of these gems. I hate getting hot glue on my fingers.
Did it hurt?
I think it was on my nail, so I didn't even feel it. Okay, and then I'm putting one little gem in the center.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I better put the glue there instead of on my fingers. There we go. Now we have a little decorations on our sign. What do you think? Do you like that? What does be a unicorn in a field of horses mean to you? I really love this saying. Love to hear what you think about it.
Write that down in the comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.
We are
this
done.
tea is for you guys.